Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can add the roles to your Discord server. It's really easy and it shouldn't take a lot of time, so let's get right into it. So once you have your Discord server created, and or just a Discord server that you have access to moderate, what you need to do is just go over the Discord server's name right here, and as you can see there is a little arrow pointing down. What you need to do is just click on that arrow, which will open up a menu looking just like this. Here we are going to select server setting, below invite people, and it should take us to a page similar to this. Here, as you can see, my server and a bunch of settings: overview, roles, emoji, moderation, audit log, integration, widget, server template. What we are going to select is just roles. Here you can see the roles that currently exist on my server: new role and everyone. What we want to do in order to create a new role is just click on this little plus sign next to roles, which says create a role. As you can see right here, a new role has been added, and we can just edit the name of it. For example, test, add a color to it. We can view server as role. Here it just shows us just the permissions of that certain role that we created. Here you have the permission settings. So basically, if you want the role to be able, for example, to kick someone, to ban someone, to manage the channels, to manage the roles, server, audit log, administration, you can do them however you want. If you want them to have the permission to send any messages, to post links, attach files, read message history, mention people, and just a bunch of options. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now you have a new role on your Discord server. From here on, you can just press ESC or the X button right there, and your new role has been created. And as you can see right here, I can add the role to myself. And yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video, guys. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.